Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CodeLine. In the previous video, you have studied about the integer constant, real constant or real floating point constants, character constant, symbolic constant, string constant, what are variables, initialization of variable, and declaration of the variable. Today, we are going to see the expressions. An expression is a combination of operator, constant, variable, and function calls. The expression can be arithmetic, logical, or relational. It means whatever expression you write, it will be categorized according to its expression you have used. Let's have an example. X plus y. Here you are going for arithmetic. Means you are doing x plus y addition. So it is an arithmetic expression. A is greater than B. Here you are doing comparison. That is relational expression example. A equals to B, which is a logical expression, and function A comma B. That means you are calling a function. So it is an example of function call. Moving to the next, statements. A statement is an executable part of a program that causes computer to carry out some action. There are various statements like expression statements, compound statements, selection statements, iterative statements, jump statements, label statements. Expression statement. Expression statement consists of an expression followed by a semicolon. Let us try to understand with an example like x equals to 5 semicolon. X is equals to y minus z semicolon. Means you write an expression and in end you put a semicolon. You can correlate expression statement as an expression plus semicolon. A statement that has only semicolon is known as null statement. It means only semicolon part is present. Moving to the next, compound statement. Compound statement consists of several statements which are enclosed within the curly braces. Compound statements is also known as block of statement, and there is no semicolon after closing braces. Means here you have no semicolon. You can have a look to the example. That is int L is equals to 4, B equals to 2. Int area is equals to L into B. Here we have declared two variables, that is L and B of int type, and initialize some value to them. That is L is initialized with value 4 and B is initialized with value 2. And in next line we have declare a variable area of int type. And in next statement we are saying that area will be equals to L into B. It means the value you will going to obtain from L into B will be initialized to the variable area. And in last we are closing the braces. So in this way compound statements are written. Moving to the next. Here you have to note one important point, that the variables you are declaring inside the loop are known as local variables, and these variables can be declared inside the loop and can be used only inside the loop. Means in the previous example you have used int L and B. It means inside this loop only you can use this variable, and outside this braces you can't use this variable because it is a local variable of this curly braces or loop. So moving to the next, comments. Comments are used for increasing readability of the programs. Comments are written inside these two symbols, backward slash, asterisk, dash dash, asterisk, forward slash. Comments can be placed anywhere in the program, and these comments are not shown in the program by compiling or doing the output screen. Comment can be a single line or multiple line, and comments cannot be nested, means you cannot write comment inside a other comment. Now let us try to understand what are single line comments and multi-line comments. Here we have example like variable b represents. It is a single line comment, means you are going to write only one single statement. Where in this next I have written welcome to C programming language of Kotlin, which is the multiple line comments because I am writing it more lines and describing more important message or long message. Comments that are just for message you want to drop for someone if anyone accesses your source code or work on it. Now delimiters. In C programming we use many delimiters and you must be clear with their meaning. Like colon, you can see the symbol, its name is colon and it is used for label. Like semicolon, you can have a look to the symbol and it is the used as the end of the statement. Parenthesis, which is used as an expression, you can have a look to the symbol also. Square brackets, you can have a look to the symbol and it is used in array. Array is an other topic in C language which is very important, which we are going to discuss in upcoming videos. The next is curly braces. You can have a look at these curly braces and it is used for a block of statement or a compound statement. Hash sign, you have already seen this sign many times, and it is used to include preprocessor directives. And you have already studied about preprocessor directive in previous videos. Comma is used as a variable delimiter. Thank you so much.